ClickFunnels has been one of the biggest names in the funnel building world for years, but let's be honest, it's not the cheapest one and sometimes it feels like too much for beginners. So the big question is, what are the best alternatives in this time? Today we are looking at two strong options. One is GoHighLevel and another one is the System.io. By the end of this video, you will know which one is better alternative for your business. Welcome back to Easy Access Tech, the channel where we simplify technology for your business and help you to become more productive. If that sounds good to you, then make sure to subscribe this channel and don't forget to check the description for links to free trials and special deals. And one more thing about GoHighLevel, if you use the link in the description, you can get the 30 days free trial instead of the 14 days. So use the link from the description of this video. Okay, now let's get started. So first, why even look for ClickFunnels alternatives? Well, ClickFunnels is powerful, but it starts at around $97 per month. For many people just starting out, that price is a big barrier. And not to mention that sometimes it feels a bit outdated compared to newer tools. That's why people are looking at GoHighLevel and System.io as a better choice. Now let's talk about the GoHighLevel. GoHighLevel is designed for agencies, coaches, consultants, and anyone who needs advanced marketing automation. It's not just the funnel builder, it comes with CRM, email marketing, SMS, booking system, memberships, and many more. Basically, it is an all-in-one business platform. Other side, we have another alternative, which is System.io. Now it is built with beginners in mind. So it is simple, clean, and lightweight. You can build funnels, send emails, create courses, and sell the product, all without being too much technical. And here is the big plus. System.io has a forever free plan, so you can start without paying a single dollar. But obviously it has the paid plan also. Now let's compare the funnel building. GoHighLevel's funnel builder is advanced. It works almost like the ClickFunnels, but with more flexibility. You can just drag and drop and add the custom pages and connect your funnel with email, SMS, and automation workflow. It is built for the people who want to run professional campaign either for themselves or clients. System.io's funnel builder is more basic and you can still get the templates and drag and drop editor, but sometimes it can feel a little clunky. Still, if you are just starting and need something quick and simple, it does the job well. Now let's talk about email and automation. GoHighLevel wins big here. You get the advanced workflow, triggers, SMS marketing, voicemail drops, and list goes on. So it's powerful and lets you to create automated campaign that can save hours of your time. System.io is much lighter. You can get the email sequence, tagging, and simple automation. Nothing too complex, but for beginners, that's the more enough for them. Now, what about the courses and membership? GoHighLevel has a strong setup for membership and online courses. You can get the drip content and add custom domain, and also you can manage your multiple offers. It is great if you want to scale and build a serious online business. System.io also lets you to create and sell the courses, but the features are limited compared to GoHighLevel. It is good for getting started, but not the best one for long-term growth if courses are your main focus. Now let's talk about the pricing. We have GoHighLevel first. It starts at around $97 per month and the real power comes with the $297 per month for agency plan. That gives you the unlimited sub accounts, white label feature, and the API access. It's a bigger investment, but it's made for serious business owners who want to scale fast. Other side, the System.io is much more affordable. It has a free plan to start and the paid plan start at around $17 per month. Even the higher plans are way cheaper than GoHighLevel or ClickFunnels. So if budget is main concern, then System.io is the win easily. So what is the final verdict? If you are a beginner or you just want to launch funnels or start selling without headache, then System.io is the better choice for you or better alternative for the ClickFunnels. It's cheap, simple, and even free to begin. But if you are serious about running an agency, managing clients, or building advanced marketing automation, GoHighLevel is the better choice. It's powerful, scalable, and gives you far more than just funnels. So to put it simple, system.io is like training wheels, and this is perfect when you are starting out. GoHighLevel is like the full feature or full racing bike. Once you are ready, it can take you much further. So you can check the link in the description or the pin comment. And I hope now you understand the alternatives of the ClickFunnels, that's the GoHighLevel and the system.io. If you found this video helpful, like this video and subscribe this channel. See you in the next video.